Sunday the 30th of June, we're coming here to Hickman Park for Hope in the Park, and we would love you to join us. It's going to be an awesome day where we're going to be sharing the message of Jesus with the town of Bilston, and we want you to come along at 12 noon. Bring yourself a picnic for joining the fun, the games and the worship in the park. And because of Hope in the Park, there'll be no services at Excel on that day, the 30th of June. This Friday at 180, we're opening the invitation to everybody to come along for United Praise. There's going to be some worship and a slightly different twist on the night where there's going to be a couple of interview testimonies. So we hope you can make it. Come along this Friday night, the 28th at 8:15 p.m. Announcing this year's Summer Kids Holiday Club. It is Camelot, and we're going to be taking on a medieval theme for this year's club, which is going to be running from the 27th to the 31st of August. So get those dates in your diary and make sure you book your kids in as soon as the bookings open. And of course, we're looking for some volunteers. So if you might be interested in helping out either in the run up to the club or the week itself, then please speak to Dan for more information. Now that we've gone to double services, we are planning to have some United services a couple of times throughout the year. And the first one of those is going to be on Sunday the 22nd of September at 11 a.m. So get that date and time in your diary, and we're going to be meeting at the Imperial Banqueting Suite in Bilston. So get the date in your diary, 22nd of September for our Excel Unite. That's everything for Excel News, but remember before we go that next Sunday there are no services here at Excel Church because of Hope in the Park. So get your picnic, meet us here at 12 noon next Sunday. Hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks for more Excel News.